Last problem, guys, before we start our independent work. And again, like I said, you're going to be back in class the last 15 minutes of the period, okay? And we'll take some review questions. All right. So, and also you're going to be submitting on Google Classroom as well. So let's look at this problem and then that we just practiced, and then I'll let you guys go. All right. So we have 2x to the negative 3, y to the third over 2x, okay? So the easiest way to do this is to break this out into smaller pieces to work this problem. So again, what you can do is you go 2 over 2 times x to the negative 3 over x. Okay, so I'm putting the values on top of each other that I can work with each other. So the coefficients I'll put on top of each other, the x's I'll put on top of each other, and also I'm going to put the y over here. But I'm not going to put anything at the bottom since I don't have anything for that one. Okay, so let's work the first one. So we have 2 divided by 2, and that's going to equal 1. So it's going to be 1 over 1. Okay, that's going to reduce to 1 over 1. Now we have x to the negative 3, x to the 1. So the idea on that, there is so on that one, we want to use the quotient rule for this one. Sorry, I got a little distracted there. Sorry about that. Okay, this would be the quotient rule. Okay, and so the quotient rule basically means, hold on, let me just like hide this, grab this, and that. All right. Basically means that I got to take my negative 3 here. I'm going to put QR on the side, and I'm going to subtract it. So negative 3 minus 1, and that's going to give me negative 4. Okay, because remember, we've got to subtract our exponents. So the value is going to be negative 4, like that. Okay, then the next one, obviously, that doesn't change, so that's going to be y to the third. Okay, so remember, we also have to make this into positive exponent. So this one has got to be negative, so that's turned to positive. The 1 over 1 is going to cancel each other, so that's going to end out, so I'm not going to need that. So if I do this right, I should have 3 to y to the third over x to the fourth. And that would be my answer to the question. Okay, so these are kind of tricky. A couple things you need to remember is watch your signs when you're doing your quotient rule. Negative 3 minus 1 is also negative 4. So make sure you're watching the signs like we did in the do now, and we'll be good. All right, see you guys. Good luck on the work today. Remember, submit on Google Classroom. Thank you.